For years, ultra-high frame rate video capabilities seemed to elude Nikon, as competitors like Sony pushed the boundaries with stacked sensor designs enabling extreme slow motion. But the iconic camera company now looks poised to leapfrog the competition with the announcement of a staggering new sensor that can capture 4K footage at a blistering 1,000 frames per second. So what on earth is this beast capable of? Let's dive in. In a briefing with journalists, Nikon revealed details on this technological marvel, which they claim offers the world's highest levels of sensor performance. The 1-inch stacked CMOS design packs a mighty 17.8 megapixel resolution into a compact size while harnessing cutting-edge, fine-pitch wafer-level wire connection technology to read data off the sensor at unprecedented rates. This new stacked CMOS image sensor uses a fine-pitch wafer-level wire connection technology, consistent with the 2.7 pixel size, a Nikon spokesperson explained. It has a total pixel count of approximately 17.8 megapixels that realizes 4K x 4K high-resolution imaging of 1,000 frames per second and 110 dB high dynamic range characteristics. This is one of the widest dynamic ranges in the industry. While the 1-inch sensor size suggests this component may initially be geared towards industrial or specialty applications rather than mainstream consumer cameras, the sheer capabilities of the new sensor could portend exciting developments for Nikon's photography lineup in the years ahead. The key enabler is the stacked design, which allows for massively faster data readout speeds compared to traditional semiconductor designs. This allows for high resolutions and high frame rates to be captured simultaneously. Sony has already demonstrated the potential of stacked sensors in flagship mirrorless cameras like the Alpha One, which pairs a 50MP sensor with capabilities like 8K 30p video. But Nikon's new sensor shows just how much overhead remains with this architecture. A full 4K 4096 x 3072 resolution captured at 1,000 frames per second? That's essentially super slow motion abilities once reserved only for specialized high-speed video cameras, now packed into a single solid-state imaging chip the size of your thumbnail. The potential for videographers is immense. Even footage captured at the reduced 4K 3840 x 2160 resolution would still be captured at over 900 fps, enabling capture of events simply impossible to perceive with the naked eye. And that's before accounting for the 110 dB dynamic range, providing an extraordinary window of latitude for high-contrast scenes. If that's not enough, Nikon also revealed the sensor can be dialed down to capture 4K 60p video with a scarcely believable 134 dB dynamic range. This could effectively eliminate the need to carry multiple cameras to different lighting scenarios. This single chip may have the flexibility to handle it all with aplomb. Of course, actually productizing such an exotic imaging solution into a working production camera brings immense challenges. Heat dissipation issues, managing a firehouse of raw data flow, and the sheer processing power needed are all hurdles that could prevent the technology seeing use in a consumer device anytime soon. But make no mistake, even if intended initially for specialized markets, sensors like this lay out an enticing vision for the future, one where video capabilities currently limited to multi-million-dollar broadcast rigs could potentially, eventually, be democratized into the realm of handheld devices accessible to the pros and consumers alike. It's an incredibly tantalizing prospect, and one that has surely put smiles on the faces of photographers and videographers everywhere, imagining the creative possibilities enabled by such a breakthrough. While not there quite yet, Nikon's latest marvel suggests ultra-high-speed 4K video may soon enough go from science fiction to a standard feature in the not-so-distant future.